Welcome SATS Busters to question 12, and this question is testing your knowledge of translation and also coordinates. So it says here is a shape on a grid. The shape is translated so that point A moves to 7, 8. Now remember, with coordinates, the first number is along the corridor and the second number is up the stairs, along the corridor and up the stairs. So what we need to do first of all is be able to find where that point A is being moved to. So point A is being moved to 7, 8. So that is starting from 0, that is 7 along is there, and 8 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So point A is being moved to there. Now at this point we should really mention what this word translated means. Translated basically means that each corner of the shape is sliding across the grid. That's a good way of thinking about it. It's either sliding left or right, up or down. Now, the corners of the shape can't go both left and right. It's either going left or right. And it can't go both up or down. It's either going up or down. But you can have left and up, or right and down, or left and down, or right and up. Okay? So basically what has happened to point A is, as you can see, it's gone to the right and it's gone up. And it's actually gone 4 squares to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's gone 3 squares up, 1, 2, 3. So 4 to the right and 3 up. I'm just going to make a note of that at the top there. So 4 to the right and 3 up. Now when you translate a shape, all the corners move by the same instruction. So all corners move the same way. Okay? So if we've just decided that that corner has moved 4 to the right and 3 up, then the other corners need to move 4 to the right and 3 up as well. So this corner is going to go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 up. 1 square up, 2 squares up, 3 squares up. So that corner is going to go there. Let's use a different colour. This corner is going to go 4 to the right, 3 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. The grey corner here is going to go 4 to the right, 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3 up. And the yellow corner is going to go 4 to the right, 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and 1, 2, 3 up. Now, once you've got all your corners in position, all you've got to do is join them up. Now, it does say using a ruler, so please do make sure you don't follow my bad example here. Make sure you use a ruler, because you wouldn't want to lose a mark for not using a ruler. But as you can see, all of the corners are now joined up, and all of the corners have moved by the same instruction. They've been translated 4 squares to the right and 3 squares up. There is actually a second method that you could have used to answer that question. Instead of translating each corner separately, 4 to the right and 3 up, as long as you are confident that you've got the new corner A in the correct place, this 7, 8, as long as that is correct, you can then just redraw the shape going from the old corner A. So from the old corner A, you basically go 5 squares down and 2 squares across. So let's do that. So 5 squares down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 squares across, 1, 2. And then once you've got from that 2 squares across, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down again. And then from this corner and this corner, if you go in 1 and up 2, you get the final corner. So in 1 and up 2, 1, 2, that's the final corner. Now, as you can see, we've just basically redrawn the same shape. We've copied the same shape. But it's only recommended doing that method as long as you're confident that you've got the first corner in the correct place. Because if you get the first corner in the wrong place, you're going to copy the entire shape in the wrong place and you won't get the marks for it.